Okay, anyway, first of all, I want to introduce myself. I am Ray Santos, and I am the founder of Ray Santos Music Studio. And we are doing this for 20 years already. So before po, ang nangyari sa amin is, we have this one recital every year, which is the grand recital. And then ngayon po, yan, medyo marami na po ang mga mini recitals. Like for example, sa voice class, violin class, what else? Guitar class, violin class, voice class, no? So yan po. So, we are doing 20 recitals every year, no? Sa online din po, meron din po kami. So, yeah. So, this is Ray Santos Music Studio. Maraming salamat, parents and students, no? For joining with us. This recital is not possible without your support. Thank you very, very much, no? Okay? So, palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga parents. Palakpakan din naman natin ang ating mga students, no? Yes. Kamusta mga students? Kinakabahan ba kayo? Kinakabahan? Kinakabahan kayo. Okay, so, huwag kayong kabahan. You just relax and enjoy. Anyway, this is only a mini recital. And, yeah, the first audience that you have is your parents, your loved ones. Kaya napakaganda po itong program na to because pag mini recital, maliit na recital, hindi ka anong pressure yung students, no? Kasi ang mga audience natin is the parents. So you just enjoy, ha? Okay? Okay lang yan, hindi kayo pagagalitan ni Sir Elmer. Okay, anyway, before we start our program, lagi ko pong ginagawa ko, I always want to inspire our students, no? Okay? Sino sa inyo, mga students, mahilig mag-practice? Mahilig kayo mag-practice? Ay, mahilig ka mag-practice. Wow! Palakpakan naman natin si, anong name ulit? Yeah, okay. Masipag siya daw mag-practice. Nagpa-practice ka? How about kayo? Kayo mga lalaki, hindi kayo nagpa-practice. Nahiya. Anyway, as a musician, practice is very, very important. Naniniwala kayo ba? Very, very important. You know what? When I was in the conservatory, sabi ng teacher ko, meron daw siyang tinatawag na 10,000 hours rule. Listen to this, student, especially students. 10,000 hours rule. Ano ulit yun? Nakikita ba yun? 10,000 hours rule. Ano po yung 10,000 hours rule? Ito yung sabi niya. Yung 10,000 hours rule is like this. When you practice your instrument, when you practice, no, ng 1,000 hours, any instrument, violin, guitar, piano, voice, so any instrument, voice is considered as an instrument, huh? Okay, when you practice 1,000 hours, you will be a good musician. You will be a good musician. 1,000 hours. But this is the twist. When you practice 3,000 hours, you will be a very good musician. Tandaan niyo ha? Pag 1,000 hours ilan, you will be a what? 1,000 hours, you will be what? A good musician. But when you practice 3,000 hours, you will be what? Very good musician. Wow! Pero ito matindi. Ito matindi. But when you practice 10,000 hours, how many? 10,000 hours, you will be a world-class musician. Again, you will be what? World-class musician. Ibig sabihin, magaling na musician. And then, you know what, my dear students? Na-curious ako, talaga? Talaga, totoo ba yan? Na-curious ako. No? So, ginawa ko, ni-research ko ngayon yung buhay ni Luciano Pavarotti. Kilala niyo si Luciano Pavarotti? Siguro hindi niyo nakilala yun kasi very old na yun. Patay na yun eh. No? Pero kapanahunan ko yun. Si Luciano Pavarotti is one of the best operatic singer. Best best operatic singer. At hanggang ngayon, nire-recognize siya as the best, kahit patay na siya. No? Anong pangalan? Luciano Pavarotti. Okay, so yan si Luciano Pavarotti. Na-curious ako. Sabi ko, sige nga, tignan natin. Alam mo, si Luciano Pavarotti, yung first appearance niya is noong April 29, 1961. O ba? Magbilang tayo 1961. Doon siya unang nag-perform, no? Pero hindi pa kasama doon yung mga hours na nag-practice siya before mag-perform siya. Take note of that. No? Hindi pa kasama yun. So, nag-start siya na April 29, 1961. Okay. Alam niyo kung kailan siya huling nag-perform? 2004. Now, from 1961 to 2004, bilangin natin yung oras na nag-practice si Luciano Pavarotti. Sabihin na natin sa loob ng isang araw, nagpa-practice siya ng 1 hour. Pero I'm very much sure, hindi lang 1 hour siya nagpa-practice. No? O again, ulitin natin From 1961 to 2004, magbilang tayo. Alam niyo, mga minamahal ko mga students, nagulat ako. Nagulat ako sa isang oras, no? Sa isang oras, alam niyo kung ilang oras siya nag-practice? Nag-practice siya na 15,695 hours. Ulitin natin From 1961 to 2004, nagkaroon siya ng 15,695 hours of practice. Wow! No wonder why Luciano Pavarotti is one of the best operatic singers. World class. 10,000 hours. Are you willing to do that? Mga minamahal naming mga students? Mami, tinatamad ako Tinatamad akong mag-practice. 30 minutes tapos na. 5 minutes tapos na. No? But, you know what? Bakit ko sinasabi ito mga minamahal kong mga students? It's because for you to inspire. Practice is very, very important when you are doing, like for example, sa inyo, violin, very, very important. If you really want to perfect your skill, if you want to really be good to your skill, you need to practice. Okay ba yun? So from now on, magpa-practice na. Okay? So hindi lang ito, no? Hindi lang dito nagtatapos ang ating pagiging isang musician, no? We will continue and you practice every day. Para kayo ay magkaroon ng 10,000 hours. Wow! Anyway, before I finish my opening remarks, gusto ko ulit magpasalamat. Parents, thank you very much for supporting Ray Santos Music Studio. Students, thank you very much. And of course, lalong hindi naman possible ito kung wala ang pinakamagaling. Maestro Elmer! Palakpakan naman natin, no? From AUP. Yan. Okay. So, without further ado, ang dami ko dandan, no? But anyway, I hope I inspired you, my dear students. Okay, so let's start now our program. So to begin with, let's have our guitarist.